Okay, so this video was slightly inspired by Emma Chamberlain and outfits that she put together when she felt like crap on her period. And I'm just here to say this is like the old lady version, so don't expect me looking like an Emma Chamberlain Instagram model, okay? Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited about today's video because I did a poll over on Instagram and so many of you wanted to see this video, which leads me to believe that all of you hate getting dressed as much as I do. Okay, maybe that's not true. I've gotten really into fashion and putting outfits together, and even though I'm literally not going anywhere, I'm still having fun time putting it together. But there are times, like today, when the last thing I want to do is put on an outfit, and more so than that, everything I put on usually makes me feel terrible. Is it because I'm on my period? Yes. Is it because it's raining outside? Yes. Is it because I have impending doom about the fact that the world's opening back up and I'm gonna have to go back to society and actually talk to people in person? Absolutely. So today I'm going to share with you some outfits that always work no matter how I feel mentally or physically. Which brings me to today's sponsor, and that is BetterHelp. BetterHelp is offering professionally secured online therapy. It's not self-help, it's not a crisis line. Rather, it's a place to be matched with a professional certified therapist who will help with your specific needs. I don't know about you guys, but I am having a lot of anxiety about going back into the world. I've always had pretty bad social anxiety, but since I've been home so much, the anxiety has definitely gone up anytime I leave the house. Specifically when I'm driving, I am suffering from a bit of a panic, which is not safe. So I'm actively working with a certified therapist on BetterHelp to get that under control so that I can enjoy the world once everything starts opening back up. And I want that for you guys so very much, and so does BetterHelp. They truly just want you to find your happiness. Signing up is so very easy. You can either download the app or do it on your computer. They ask you a bunch of very simple, quick questions, and then they will pair you up with a counselor that best meets your needs. There's so many great things about this. It's worldwide, so you can do this from anywhere, and you could literally do it from anywhere. You could do it from your bed if you want to, which is so much better than going to an office and waiting in the waiting room. That was always my least favorite part. Not to mention it's more affordable than your traditional office visits, and financial aid is available. You can log into your account and message your counselor at any time, and you can set up video chats or regular phone chats. Whatever really works for you is what BetterHelp wants to offer. So if you want to join over 1 million people taking control of their mental health with the help of these experienced professionals, just visit www.betterhelp.com/Lisbug. That's betterhelp.com/Lisbug. And just because you're lovely and you watch my channel, you can get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com/Lisbug. Again, www.betterhelp.com/Lisbug. Okay, now that we're taking care of our mental health, let's dress for success. And by success, I mean comfort. Starting with this outfit, which I will show you in full. Come to my closet. Let's do this. Oh, hello. Welcome back to my closet. So firstly, I want to mention that I haven't worn a real bra in forever. I did buy a new bra recently, and I wore it once, and then I realized, why am I wearing them when I could wear these? This is literally all I've been wearing. This is a little bralette, I guess, but it's like a stretchy kind of like sports bra material, and it's DKNY, and I got it from Costco a while ago. I really could use new ones, and I haven't searched the internet yet, and I haven't been to a Costco in a long time, but if you see these at Costco, get them. I'm obsessed. I have a black and a white one, and literally all I wear. Sometimes they make my boobies look a lot more smashed and burrito-like than they actually are, but they're comfortable, so burritos it is. I love a burrito. Okay, so first up, if I am PMSing or I'm just feeling a general sense of grossness, this dress always works because it's flowy but still very cute. Yes, I do realize that I look like I could be in a high school performance of Oklahoma, but I'm not mad about it. I like to pair it with my little fake Doc Martens that I got from the walking store because I'm an old lady, and it's like an instant success. It is literally not restrictive at all. The top's got stretch. You could just let everything hang out and you can't tell. If I'm feeling super duper fancy and I'm going out, I'll use this fanny pack that I got from Free People. as like a little belt situation, which gives me a little bit of a waist if I'm like feeling myself, but it's also functional. And that's that. I got this dress from Zara. I think it was like 19 bucks, and I sure have used 19 bucks worth of it. You can also pair it with a jacket. I don't know, I feel like these are actually still in style. I was on Nordstrom's website and I was seeing a bunch of these, and I think come summer you'll see like a short sleeve version of it or a tank top version. But I just love a flowy dress. I like where it hits, and I just feel confident in it. Like I can wear this around the house and I feel cute. I also feel like I should go milk a cow in it, but like, you know, same. Flowy dresses are where it's at, and I like that this one has this sort of like A-line taper here a little bit, so it gives you a little bit of shape, but also gives you enough flow. It's all about the flow during your flow. You know? Oh my God, a period pun. It's awesome. So get yourself one of these and you'll always feel slightly put together. All right, next, comfy outfit. This is an outfit that I wear all the time. I grab for it and I feel good in it no matter how I'm feeling otherwise. Here she is. She's just some cute funky pants, an oversized sweater, and some boots, and you're good to go. Like literally, I always feel good in this. These are some stretchy pants, a big sweater. If I'm really feeling myself, I'll tuck it in, give myself a little definition, but honestly, I always feel cute wearing this, and it's so comfortable. Like if I don't come home and then instantly change into my pajamas, I know I've got a good go-to outfit going on, and this is definitely one of them. So I've had this sweater for years, like years and years and years, and I continue to wear it, and every time I put it on, I feel cute. I got it from Brandy Melville, and I feel very mixed about that. I feel like Brandy Melville is super overpriced. I'm not sure about the sustainability, but I'm guessing it's fast fashion. And every time I go there, the people are not very nice. But I gotta say, this sweater has been with me forever, and it's tempting, and I feel tempted, and I'm kind of wanting to get another Brandy Melville top. Maybe I can thrift one. I would feel better if I thrifted one. These pants I thrifted from ThredUp, and I'm obsessed with them. They literally feel like a yoga pant meets a sweatpant, and I just feel like anytime you put a funky pant on, it looks like you tried. So there it is, and I matched it again with my fake Doc Martens, and here we are. I feel cute, I feel young, I feel hip, but I don't feel restricted. So my suggestion, find yourself a pair of stretchy, funky pants, get yourself a cute, hip, oversized sweater, and you literally are good to go. Like I can wear this on an airplane for hours and be comfortable. I am not getting on an airplane anytime soon, but if I were and I wanted to feel cute, this is where it's at. Am I a fashion icon? I also whip out the fanny pack with this one, and it's just everything. Obsessed. All right, next up, I'm serving some like major mom vibes, like minivan vibes. I'm also serving up some like kindergarten teacher vibes. And lastly, I am definitely serving totally comfortable but put together vibes. Here she is. Here she is. I know what you're thinking, Lisa. You're wearing jeans. I don't want to put on jeans ever, specifically when I'm on my period or not feeling myself. And for the most part, I would say I definitely have to agree. But these guys might be the exception to the rule. These are one of my favorite stretchy pants from Madewell. Listen, you don't need to get yourself a pair of Madewell jeans. Just get yourself a pair of stretchy high-waisted jeans. And if you're in between sizes, go for the size up so that they're always feeling good no matter how you're feeling. So that's what I do with these jeans. These are the jeans that I know are always gonna feel good no matter what. I definitely have a pair of J. Crew jeans that look very similar but are a size smaller, and I only wear those when I'm really feeling myself. But these I always know I can put on and feel decent. And then I've been really into this layering situation. I love myself a good collar. I just think it's so cute. And listen, I could definitely just wear this sweater as is without the shirt underneath, and it would be cute, but I think adding the collared shirt underneath just like amps up the outfit a little bit more. For me, I just feel like way more put together, and it just like makes me feel better about myself. I don't know, feels like I'm trying. And let me tell you, there's been a lot of times where I haven't even wanted to try. And if it's warm, you can take off the sweater and just rock the button up. I feel like button ups always look good. They always look chic. You can do a little French tuck if you want to be all cute about it. roll up the sleeves, whatever. I just feel like it's always looks rich. You know what I'm saying? Also, I have no shame when it comes to shoes. Like, I've been trying to follow like what the trends are in shoes, but the truth of the matter is I like wear slippers out in public all the time. Maybe that's gross, maybe I'm disgusting, but like, come on, these are so cute. And I feel like they put the outfit together perfectly. It's got a little bit of a preppy look. This is really, truly pure comfort, and I feel like, yeah, it looks like a cute outfit. Try layering next time you get dressed and see if it makes you feel good about yourself, because I know this certainly makes me feel good. And not to mention, I love the bagginess. I don't want anything tight when I am not feeling myself, and this is like the perfect way to achieve that. All right, moving on. I mean, if you didn't think one of these outfits was going to involve overalls, then clearly you don't know me. Yes, yes, folks. Since I was a young chap, I have been wearing overalls because they just simply make me feel good about myself. I feel like I always look good in them. I always feel comfortable in them, and thank God they are back in style. So yes, here is my next outfit. It is this darling set of overalls with a puffy sleeve shirt, some cute little white slides, and I literally feel like the cutest thing in the world. That's right, she feels herself. Probably should have put on the other bra, but I'm not gonna go that far, you know what I mean? Overalls always make me feel comfortable. I feel like they cover in all the right places, but show off the other places. When in doubt, I always reach for my overalls. I have several pairs, short and long, but I feel like these overall usually work the best for me. I got these from Free People several years ago, and I've worn them so many times. In fact, I saw a few pairs on ThreadUp, so if you don't want to pay the full price for them, definitely go check them out. I'm sure you can find a secondhand version of these because these have been around for a while. And literally anytime I wear this shirt, I have it in a different color as well. People go nuts over this outfit. I just feel like it's a fun combination, a little bit unexpected, and definitely super trendy. This puff sleeve situation is still so hot. I got this top from Zara several years ago, and I definitely wear it often. So yeah, I'm all about the puff sleeve. So if you can find yourself a comfortable puff sleeve and pop it under an overall, you got yourself an outfit. I feel like it elevates the overall look. Overall, just you can't go wrong with overalls. Again, you don't have to suck everything in. It's not tight on your waist. It's just there. There's so many different ways to style overalls, but I do think that this one is tried and true. It's super cute. You could dress it up, dress it down, and I always feel good in this. And that's what this is all about. Feeling good. Speaking of feeling good, I got one more outfit for you. All right, my friends, I was tempted to do another overall outfit, but I think this is almost as good and definitely just as easy, and that is a romper. Yes, girl, yes. This always works. I broke it up with this jacket just because I thought that was kind of a cute way to style it, but you definitely don't need the jacket. I got this romper from, oh my God, where did I get this? Definitely some like fast fashion place that I'm like not proud to say I bought this at. Cotton On maybe? I think it was Cotton On, but I have worn the crap out of this thing. You know what I mean? Like if you're gonna buy that cheap stuff, if you can get a lot of use out of it, at least I feel a little bit better about that, question mark. But I get so many compliments on this thing, and it's just so easy. When you are like in a weird headspace, you're not feeling yourself, it is so hard to put stuff together. So just knowing that you can throw on one thing and walk out the door. I also like that this has a drawstring waist, so depending on how I'm feeling, I could definitely do like a tighter version and show off my waist, or if I'm just like not feeling it many a times, I untie it. And then I can wear it super loose and I still think it's cute. Pair it like I've been pairing everything with just like a simple necklace with some charms on it, and it's like good to go. I have traveled so many times in the past in this outfit and it's just perfect. Again, I paired it with this jacket. This is a Gap jacket that I've had for years also. I mean, literally now that I'm looking at all these outfits that I share today are things that I've had for years, which I guess is a testament to just how they make me feel. So yeah, I got this jacket years ago and it goes with everything. I would normally pair this whole outfit with my high top Converse, but they are in the other room. So I put them on with these that my mom gave me from Target, and I actually think they're pretty cute. And you're good to go. I feel cute. I feel comfortable. I don't feel restricted. I could literally hang out in this all day. The only thing I will say about a romper is that if you have to go to the bathroom, you have to take the whole thing off. And sometimes that's not the most comfortable thing to do in, let's say, like an airport bathroom. So take that into consideration. But I see these everywhere. I actually just ordered one from ThredUp that will be coming soon, so I'm excited to give that a try. Just think like they're really good things to have in your closet. Again, if you don't want to put something together, you don't want to think about it, pop one of these on. Always all black, always looks chic, always makes me feel more comfortable. And yeah, that's it. So there you have it. I hope that this gave you some outfit ideas if you're trying to sort of pull your wardrobe together and get back into wearing regular clothes. If you want to rock sweatpants forever and always, more power to you. I love sweatpants, and I would say I spend at least half the week, if not more than half the week, in sweatpants, and I feel great about that. But once in a while, I like to put on an outfit, and I just feel like these are some really easy, comfortable and attainable outfits to wear in a pinch that always make me feel good. Ultimately, it's about how you're feeling inside, but sometimes if you can make yourself feel good on the outside, it definitely enhances the inside. Outside, inside, inside, outside. You know what I'm saying? So I guess that's it for now. I have some really fun videos coming down the pipeline for you. I have a huge spring haul coming your way, which I'm so excited about because I'm trying a new brand that I am obsessed with that I can't wait to share. I have another thrift video coming up, some wedding content coming up, and a few extra surprises up my sleeve. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you aren't already. Hit that notification button. I put a new video up every Friday. And thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. I feel like it went hand in hand so well with the whole point of this. It's all about taking care of ourselves and doing things that we need to do to make sure that we are living our best life, which definitely includes overalls. Go get yourself a pair of overalls. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Let's do this again soon.